Operating Systems course. This is the sixth meeting about Deadlock, and we have reached the last video, our seventh video. We are discussing about Deadlock detection. So don't forget, we are discussing about three types of ways of dealing with deadlock. We have discussed the first two, which is deadlock prevention and deadlock avoidance. Now we are going to discuss about deadlock detection. How do you detect a deadlock? It is the same with deadlock avoidance, which is with Baker's algorithm. So the way is the same way. The difference is in a deadlock detection, there is no way to avoid um, deadlock. In here, we are in the middle of finishing an execution of the matrices. Here we can see this is the allocation matrix, and this is the still need matrix. Here we can see that P4 doesn't have any resources allocated, so P4 is safe. And then here we want to see from the still need which one can run. We here see that P3 needs 00001, and the available matrix is also 00001, so P3 can run. Because P3 can run, it means that the allocation from P3 is finished and can be returned to the available vector. So here it comes 00011. And now we see the others. So P3 is now also safe. And we see the others in the still need. P1 is 01001 and P2 is 00101. So we cannot allocate the available vectors to any other of the processes. So here we have reached the deadlock. So deadlock is detected. And the art of deadlock detection is after the deadlock is detected, and then what do we need to do? So now what do we have to do when we detect deadlock? There are three solutions that we can do. The first one is preemption, as we said before. Preemption is interruption. So if P1, for example, is deadlocked, the OS can release the P1 from deadlock. And the second solution is to rollback. Rollback is go back to a safe state. For example, before P4 is safe, and then P3 is safe, and then P2 is deadlocked. So we roll back to the safe step, and we take another step to recover from deadlock. So that is rollback, and the last solution is by killing the process. So for example, if P1, P4, and then we finish P3, and then we are stuck with P2, we cannot get to P1, we just kill P2, and then P1 after that can run. Then after that we go back to finish P2 with all the available resources. that is 3 ways to recover from deadlock. That is the end of video 7. We have successfully discussed about deadlock detection, and this is also the end of meeting 6. 6. In this meeting, we have successfully discussed about deadlock in general. Thank you for your attention. We will meet in the next meeting about a new